These beautiful little fish that's coming into view at the bottom of the glass, these are called bluegill. The backbone of a dinosaur. They actually had this tested down here. And it turns out that down there is, in fact, a rock. But if you look alongside that rock, you see a piece of wood. And the University of Florida also took that piece of wood to their facility in Gainesville. And it turns out that piece of wood down there is actually, in fact, a Native American dugout canoe left here by the Timucuan Indians over 500 to 600 years ago. Is that not cool or what? Now, what's making it actually blow and push around out of force is something that we call the Floridan Aquifer, that it actually has a 24-minute cycle.